wanted to quickly just share with you guys just how easy it is to make a pizza at home. There really is no reason for us to be like, I don't have time or it's too tedious. So I'm gonna give you guys a few options, up to 3, on how to put together a quick pizza. Today I was really craving Margarita pizza, so we're gonna do that tonight. But I decided to use a prepared crust, which is not what I normally do. Normally I will buy just a fresh dough. If I have time, I'll make the dough. It honestly is just 4 ingredients: yeast, flour, oil. Gives you an amazing crust. Or you have the option of just pre-baking your own and then having more control over that. But today, I wanted to just find pre-made crust. So this is #1 option for people that don't have time. Sorry, I ripped it. But it has, it came with 2, so that's awesome for bigger families. I have the crust down. I quickly made a quick tomato sauce. Tomato sauce, no salt. Why I did no salt is because I want to be able to control the amount of sodium that's in it. You add your own Italian seasonings. That's it. Garlic and onion if you want. Doesn't have to get too crazy. Why? Because a lot of the cheese is going to have a lot of salt in it, so it's going to help bring all those flavors together. Keep that in mind. So let's go back from scratch. I have my crust. I threw in a quick tomato sauce. If you want to make it even easier, you can just do pizza sauce, or you can do spaghetti sauce, anything that's in a can, jarred. Whatever will make it easier for you guys to do this at home, okay? I got that done. As you can see, I have some specks of rosemary. Now, for Margarita pizza, it really is just 3 fresh ingredients. Fresh mozzarella, fresh basil, and fresh tomatoes. And we want the beef steak tomatoes that are big, but I then cut them in half so that then I can easily layer them. And look how pretty this is gonna look when I do this, all right? I do, and you can even cut your basil in half. You wanna layer them into 3s. Mozzarella, tomato, basil. Mozzarella, tomato, and basil. And you're gonna just follow this along until you get a nice uniform pattern of ingredients. Now, for me, because I like variety, and sometimes I don't want to eat the whole pizza, I want to have leftovers, I will do half of this fresh Margarita style, and then the other half, I want to keep it kind of light, and I'll do roasted vegetables. So give me 1 second. So then the second half, don't look at the colors so much, because these are just very earthy colors. Hence earthy vegetables. We have eggplant, zucchini, and mushrooms. They're all grown from the ground, hence the color. But then I'm gonna add some life to it by adding bell peppers, tomatoes. So I'll do half of Margarita, and then I'll do half of just roasted vegetables. And just to keep it light on the cheese, a lot of times we worry about, we're not used to having a lot of dairy. So then with this, I'll do the vegan mozzarella style shreds, which is a cheese alternative. It's made out of almond milk so that we can go easy on the lactose and the dairy. What I'm trying to get at is to be able to be in control of what we're eating and be able to enjoy it at the same time. It's just not only the best thing, it's the healthiest thing, and it's just gonna make you feel better about your choices. So I want to encourage you guys to make Pizza Fridays a thing, because that's what I do every Friday. So thank you, and let me know if you guys make this at home.